CBSEnews.com.
Hi students, on 22nd December at 4 p.m. our Education Minister Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is going live, and he is about to discuss about the upcoming board examinations. He wanted to share the experiences of the teachers, and he will also mostly decide about the examinations after discussing with the teachers problems they are facing, and finalizing the exam dates and exam pattern. So this type of news I will be giving on Chem YouTube channel. If you are first visiting this channel, kindly subscribe and press bell icon, so that this type of short news can be short news, but it is important news. It can be informed to you within well in time, and as you are aware, it is just official uh, tweet by the Dr. Ramesh Pokhriyal. So like this authenticated only information, and that too without wasting much of the time, we will be informing you. So don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon, so that you can get the notification as soon as I upload a video regarding the any type of educational news like IIT, JEE, NEET and board exams. So you will get the notification, and you need not to worry what is happening around you. Okay, I hope all of you will like this video. If not liked, kindly do it now, so that I can get motivated and be aware of the latest news and inform it to you within well time. See you. Bye bye.